Hello, if your laptop is having the hard disk 3FO error, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error so that you don't have the issue anymore. Now in this video you can see on the screen there is this hard disk 3FO error on the laptop screen. I want to be able to resolve this issue so that I can be able to load an operating system on this particular PC because it doesn't seem to see the hard drive. So I am going to go into the BIOS setting. There are different buttons to go into the BIOS setting depending on your laptop make. So for me, I've used the right button to be able to go into the BIOS setting. You can see first off I go into the boot menu, then boot menu directed me to the key to press if I want to go into the BIOS setting, which is F10. Remember, it might be different for your own laptop, so you might want to check that up online to know the right keys to press to go into BIOS. Now that we're in BIOS, the first thing you want to do is to go to your boot options, and what you're going to do is to disable UEFI settings and then disable secure boot so that it boots directly from whatever hard drive you choose to be first. So initially the operating system controls the boot order. So this is secure boot. Initially I disabled it didn't work, so now I'm going to go back to the secure boot and enable it, and then UEFI setting is going to take effect. So I'm going to enable my secure boot, and then I'm going to ensure that the OS manager is booting from my hard drive. So my OS boot manager is booting directly from my hard drive, so I don't have any issue anymore, which is what I want because I know my hard drive is fine. I've removed my hard drive and tried it on another laptop. It's fine, so it's not the hard drive issue. So what I'm going to do right now is to enable my OS boot order. Remember to save your changes when you're through, and if using UEFI setting didn't work for you and enabling secure boot didn't seem to work for you, what you're going to do is to disable secure boot and enable legacy boot options. So most of the time, once you enable legacy boot options for the laptop, it works. So once you enable your legacy boot option, you are going to make your hard drive your first priority, so it boots directly from your hard drive. That is if you want it to boot from your hard drive. But if you want it to boot from your flash drive, you are going to make the flash drive your priority. You are going to set it first so that it boots first from your flash drive. So for me, I want to reload this PC and it was giving me that error. So I have been able to sort it out right now by changing my boot order. So basically the issue is just changing your boot order. Once you change your boot order, the problem is solved. So right now I've changed my boot order. You can see that the problem is solved. I do not have that issue anymore. Thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time. Remember to change your CMOS battery after